I'm thinking of doing our little friend. I've already just taken the liberty of cutting him out, and you'll see that he's got a string leading up to the carrot, but I've decided that we're not doing it like that.
So I'm just going to show him. Look at him, he's adorable.
And that's the carrot I've just cut out, just leaving a little edge round. And I've just cut a couple of little bits, tags and things, that's all. Just to save a little time.
So that's this one, the carrot patch. So
you
can see he did have...
It's got a little string.
The string, yes, so the carrot was a balloon.
Yes, it was. So we'll see if we can fit him in a little. You should be able to. So if I cut across here...
Now these craft knives are super sharp. It's a really good idea to get yourself a self-healing mat to cut onto,
definitely.
Or a glass mat. We do have both varieties on CraftStash also. Another Creative Craft Products tool here that we've got on the website.
Love it.
Love it. love the trimmer.
Love it. Love this. Love the scoreboard. But I like everything really. I've got them, so we use them.
Great. Okay.
I'm just obviously I'm winging this. It's.
I love that you're winging it.
You're going to see the thought process here now, and things.
By all means, tell us your thought process.
So I did cut this striped mat. It does make your eyes go a bit funny. Yeah.
Only when you've got a large piece of it.
But they're gorgeous colours, and the card is beautiful thickness of paper. It's 190 GSM, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So I decided then that I would put. I brought a few pieces of coloured card with me because I didn't know what to expect really. So, and I just thought I would mat that for a little bit of definition, and then I'm going to, instead of putting this white one on there, it looks a bit flat. So I think I might just make another mat for that to sit on there too.
And obviously you're using your
I'm using the trimmer, and I'm just guessing really on this.
Yeah. And will you use foam tape maybe?
I did bring some actually because I have all the CraftStash tapes. What I also love is the fact that the foam pads, they're in 2 different sizes. So you've got good size. Is it 2 or is it 3 now?
There's a lot of different sizes.
What I like is the fact that they're also in black as well as in white.
Yes, so we do have. I've got loads here. They're all in my craft. So they're all used. But we've got from foam squares as small as these, which are kind of a few maybe 5 millimeters, something like that.
Yeah.
All the way up to ones that are like about an inch big. Then we've got the large sheets as well. This is a full sheet. You get 3 in the pack. These are the white ones. You do get, like you say, the black ones as well.
Ones,
now, these die cut. Okay, so you know when you put a sentiment on a card, a die cut sentiment, and it's not standing out for you, very often what we'll end up doing is cutting that 5-6 times from cardstock and layering those cardstock pieces up. And it takes a long. She's muttering away to herself. She's a true crafter. It takes ages to do. What you can do is you can simply die cut the foam and then peel off the front backing, put your coloured die cut over the top of that, and then peel off the back and stick it onto your card, and that raises your sentiment up. It doesn't have to be a sentiment, it can be absolutely anything that you've die cut, but that's brilliant. So we've got the white and the black in everything. Not the tape, I don't think, but certainly all the foam squares. I wasn't sure
about the tape, I couldn't think.
No, I don't think we've got the black foam tape, but we have got the black squares and the black sheets as well. And then we also have adhesive sheets that are thin sheets. So if you don't want that raised area with the foam, you can still do the same effect.
So I've sliced a hole in there. I realised I went across and I should have come down there so that you don't see them. And then you can just sit in, but his little feet can stick out.
Oh, I love that.
So we're going to do that, and his little tail's missing, and I do like the tail. I like to see the tail. Yeah. I'm just going to glue him down.
Of course, if you've got any little pom-poms, you could give him a little pom-pom tail.
You could, yeah.
That would be cute.
See it from there.
Very cute. While I'm doing this, I'm going to. Oh look, Tina. I would attempt your surname, but I don't want to offend you. Bento Philippe. Is that how I say it? I'm not sure. You'll know who you are on Facebook.
Is it? Where's it gone?
Oh, she's gone. There she is.
Bento Philippe, it looks like.
Yeah, thank you, Pauline. Everyone knows what I'm like with names. The animals are too cute for words, especially the bunnies. Hello to Teresa Singleton. She says hello to us both. Well, and Claire. My boy says spring is all about the picnics. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So everybody, if you've just joined us, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining us. We've got a brand new launch today, and we are looking at gorgeous Daisy Mae Design Spring. Do you have a favourite stamp set or favourite couple of stamp sets, Pauline, from this collection?
I love them all.
Oh,
I
I
know
thought
they're
you said
pest.
the mole.
No.
The mole.
The mole, I love the mole because I love all the flowers and the grass
Yeah.
around it. And I love these little ducks too. I mean, I can't, it's very difficult to choose because
It
I'm
is.
very drawn to this one as well.
Yes.
But the characters are so cute. I mean, this little chick with the bow in her hair, the egg's cracked and it's a spotty egg. I really love that one. That's
It's
so
gorgeous,
cute.
isn't it? That would be really sweet as well for a new baby card.
It'd be brilliant for a baby card.
Doesn't
yeah.
have to be.
And anything with Wellingtons on, I love. So the little bunny.
Do you know, and I love, Claire knows this. Claire knows I love this colour. She
Yeah,
actually
I
had
do
some
too.
papers recently
Yeah.
that were the teals and yellows. That would work really well. So go and have a look at Claire's past papers too, everybody, because they are beautiful. Right. This is beautiful, Pauline. Would you like to talk us through what you've been doing while I've been nattering away?
Yes, as you can see, it was not prepped. It's all done live.
Love that.
So we've got two mats, a plain mat and a stripe mat. We've got, I cut this image down a little, just round the outsides, and laid it onto the blue of the first mat. And then I put a little slice in the wheelbarrow so that the little bunny's tail would just poke inside there. It looks like he's sitting in the barrow. And I've tied a little bit of string around his paw, I nearly said hand,
Well, you know.
and to the carrot. So it looks like his carrot's deflated and he's just fallen down and landed into the
I
barrow.
love that.
And I've looked through the sentiments, but I've decided I am going to use this one that I cut out just a few minutes ago. So yeah, I'm going to use that. And look at this. This is leaking because I can't find the top. It's gone into the bottom.
Oh,
of
don't worry.
something else I refilled
Don't
this
worry.
morning before I came out. And but not to worry. It's just
Not to
a
worry.
little
now.
bit of. I'll have to root in there and find that at the top. Otherwise, it'll be everywhere by the time I get home. So I'm going to place this just on a skew there. So yeah, that's it.
Gorgeous. I absolutely,
And that's it done.
absolutely love that. That is
Shall I lift it up and
yeah,
then you can
definitely.
see?
That is a beautiful,
So-
beautiful card.
It's just a little bit different than, and then it's laid out because he's obviously flying in the air, isn't he, with the carrot? So
Of course.
Yeah.
Of